welcome to another video. And yes, this is a serious video. Koneko needs your help getting 1 million subscribers. He's currently, he has at 900,000 wait, what? 900,000 999 993,000. Oh my god. My brain. I'm just having a fucking meltdown. But anyways, Koneko needs your help getting 1 million subscribers. Cause yeah, I noticed he didn't have 1 million subscribers. You see, even he says it. You know he's right. You know he's right. You know the man right here is right. Hey. So yeah, this was a small video to get people to know why. And guess what? I'll tell you why you should subscribe to this guy. Cause damn, does he make a lot of Roblox videos? Actually, he makes them daily. So if we're lucky, twice a day sometimes. If we get lucky. So, and guess what? Since he does that, he's telling like the daily news of Roblox and what's going on, and because I really don't know what's popular, what's not, what's the trend there is, what is let me say, what is the attention on the Roblox attention about, and. Yeah, technically he's a pretty good YouTuber, not gonna lie. I've been watching tons of his videos, as you can see. I've done that a bunch of times. So anyways, yeah, so subscribe to Koneko Kitten. He's a good YouTuber.